Here we are on the coastal highway, Davao City. We're heading somewhere and we're ending up
On the coastal road
This is the way the GPS is taking us to
Toril, to the Eden Nature Park.
Look how beautiful. You're my best view.
Nah.
That's a throwback to Ed and Rose on 90 Day Fiancé. Alright, well, we'll see you when we get somewhere else.
Yes, guys, and see you at Eden Nature Park.
We're gonna walk these things across that wire. Holy moly, babe! Oh my god, this is terrifying. You gotta hold the thing. Let's just stop thinking and just do it.
Hey! Oh my god! Guys, I'm not going to send Joseph a TikTok adventure.
Why, because we do them all?